yes, let's go! 2, 3. I do have my bot set up because you can never be too sure. Because on the off chance that they do end up dropping first come first serve and I'm not ready, I would just hate myself forever. So better safe than sorry. Alright, 10 seconds. Just for nothing to happen. Oh, fuck that. Shortly after the raffle went up, a bunch of bots had updates which allowed people to bot this raffle. However, I just decided to play it safe and to make 3 manual raffle entries, one on my computer, one on my server, and one on my phone. So it would be as if they were completely different people that were entering. And the result?
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh my god. I got, what the fuck? A few minutes later, I checked my other email and sure enough, there was another invoice. Oh my god. 2 out of my 3 entries. So from this drop, I'm looking to make anywhere between $300 to $600. It's gonna really depend on how well these prices hold up. We're botting the Jordan 12s now, but the way I'm gonna be doing it is gonna be different from the way I would normally buy and sell shoes. Typically, I would buy shoes to my address, then I would go through various marketplaces to list them if I'm not selling it directly to a bulk buyer. And then after I get a sale, I would have to fulfill them as one would normally do if you're selling stuff. But this time, I'm not gonna be doing any of that. For this drop, instead of sending shoes to my house, I'm gonna be shipping them to KNET, which is kind of like a fulfillment center with a twist. Doing it this way, I can avoid sales tax since KNET is located in New Jersey. And once KNET receives it, I can cross-list my sneakers on multiple platforms with just a few clicks along with options for auto pricing. This is definitely faster than going through each platform one at a time. And when the sneaker sells, they'll do all the fulfillment for me. This service is also criminally cheap. It's just $5 for every outgoing package, which means you can send them as much inventory as you want and you're not gonna get charged a thing for it. You're only gonna get charged when your sneakers sell. And $5 is way cheaper than the sales tax that I would normally pay for. This is also insanely good for brick flips because bricks aren't the fastest movers. However, when you have them listed on multiple platforms all at the same time, you can sell them for way faster. My cook group, Polar Chefs, recently added new brick flips channels, and selling the shoes from there to KNET has been an absolute blessing. Check this out. We were able to snag Bapestas, which typically retail for over $300, but we got them for $120 each, and just a day after it arrived at the KNET warehouse, one of them sold for $182, which is $62 in profit and a 50% return on investment, which is actually insane for a brick flip. So if you're interested in trying it out, you do have to fill out their application, but if you use the referral code BOTTER, your KNET application will be prioritized. The links to everything is going to be in the description. On to the live cop.
Pandemonium, sell your blood.
Oh, checked out. Oh, yes, let's go. 2. Shoe palace dropped again. 3. Oh, it's a cookout, yo.
Pandemonium, sell your blood.
God damn. That was actually really unexpected. Oh, I'm through the queue on my phone. Give me an 11.5 at least. Payment failed, bro. Oh, hell no. Oh shit. Let's see what sizes are left. Okay. Oh. Bro. confused. If I refresh, am I gonna be put back in the queue? Okay, we're good. Oh, it thinks I'm a robot. Alright, is it gonna let me do it now? Let's go for 13, let's go big. Seven checkouts, and all of these were really good sizes too, between 10.5 and 13. Wish I could show them in hand, but as I mentioned earlier, these are all going out to KNET. And speaking of KNET, I did get a few more sales for the Bapestas as I've been editing this video. So just from the past couple of days, I've made $122 off of these brick flips, and yes, the profits that you see on the screen are after the fees. I didn't need any bots or anything for these, just took my time checking out, resulting in stress-free checkouts and profits. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.